Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to replace the throttle pedals position sensor for Mercedes Benz C230 Sport. And this is the old one that I just took it out, and this is a new one. And if you guys want to know what the part look like, there's a part number that make in Germany. Okay, it's time for me to gonna put it back inside the car. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. I'll see you next video. Thank you. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and I finally finished installing my pedal throttle position sensor for Mercedes-Benz C230, and here it is. That's it, and it sounds very good. No more hesitation. The engine run good. You see running. Okay. Now, if you like this video, please click now. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. I'll see you next video. Thank you and goodbye.